Welcome to today's video. We're excited to share with you the top 9 best foods that can help repair your kidneys and boost their health. Kidney health is vital for our well-being, and incorporating these nutritious foods into your diet can make a significant difference. Stay tuned to learn about these amazing foods and their benefits, as well as some tasty ways to include them in your everyday meals. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is an essential part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So, let's dive into the world of kidney-friendly foods and discover how you can support your kidneys' health by making some simple dietary changes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Before we jump into our list of kidney-friendly foods, let's take a moment to understand why kidney health is so crucial. Your kidneys are responsible for several essential functions in your body, such as filtering waste and excess fluids, maintaining electrolyte balance, regulating blood pressure, and producing hormones that promote red blood cell production and bone health. When your kidneys aren't functioning optimally, it can lead to various health issues such as kidney stones, high blood pressure, and even chronic kidney disease. In this video, we'll focus on the best foods to help support and repair your kidneys so you can keep them in tip-top shape for years to come. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is the refreshing and delicious watermelon. This juicy fruit is a fantastic source of hydration, which is essential for your kidneys to function effectively. Watermelon is also rich in potassium, a vital mineral that helps balance sodium levels in your body and reduces strain on your kidneys. Plus, it contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known to support kidney health and reduce inflammation. So, next time you're craving a sweet and hydrating treat, reach for a slice of watermelon to give your kidneys the support they need while satisfying your taste buds. Next up is cabbage, a low-calorie, nutrient-dense vegetable that's excellent for your kidneys. Cabbage is packed with vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber, which support kidney function by reducing inflammation and promoting regular digestion. Additionally, cabbage is low in potassium, making it an ideal choice for people with kidney concerns who need to limit their potassium intake. You can easily incorporate cabbage into your meals by adding it to salads, stir-fries, or even enjoying it as a tasty coleslaw. Give your kidneys a boost by making this versatile veggie a regular part of your diet. Berries are not only delicious, but they're also a fantastic addition to your kidney-friendly diet. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are all rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C and anthocyanins, which help protect your kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. These powerful compounds also reduce inflammation, supporting overall kidney health. Plus, berries are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them a safe choice for those with kidney concerns. Enjoy them as a tasty snack, mix them into yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie to give your kidneys the support they need while treating yourself to a flavorful and nutritious treat. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent foods for promoting kidney health. These types of fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, two factors that contribute to kidney damage. Additionally, fatty fish contain high-quality protein, which is beneficial for your kidneys when consumed in moderation. Studies, such as one published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases, have shown that regular consumption of omega-3 rich fish can help protect against kidney disease. So, go ahead and incorporate some fatty fish into your meals to support your kidney health and enjoy their delicious flavors. Garlic is a flavorful and powerful addition to your kidney-friendly diet. It contains allicin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that can help protect your kidneys from damage. Moreover, garlic has been found to help lower blood pressure, a significant risk factor for kidney disease. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that garlic extract reduced kidney damage in rats with high blood pressure. You can easily incorporate garlic into your meals by using it as a seasoning for meats, vegetables, and grains. Not only will you be adding a burst of flavor to your dishes, but you'll also be supporting your kidneys in the process. Red bell peppers are not only vibrant and tasty, but they're also an excellent choice for maintaining kidney health. These colorful veggies are low in potassium, which is crucial for people with kidney concerns. They're also packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and powerful antioxidants like lycopene, which help protect your kidneys from damage and support their overall function. You can enjoy red bell peppers raw in salads, cooked in stir-fries, or stuffed with your favorite filling for a healthy and delicious meal. Adding red bell peppers to your diet is a simple and tasty way to give your kidneys the nutrients they need to thrive. Nuts and seeds are a fantastic source of nutrients that support kidney health. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds, for example, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and other healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys. However, it's important to note that some nuts and seeds are high in potassium and phosphorus, so moderation is key. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming nuts and seeds in moderate amounts may reduce the risk of developing kidney stones. So, enjoy a handful of nuts or sprinkle some seeds on your meals to reap their kidney-friendly benefits while adding a delightful crunch. Olive oil is a heart-healthy and kidney-friendly choice when it comes to cooking oils. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like oleuropein, olive oil has been found to help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and protect your kidneys from damage. A study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition showed that consuming olive oil was associated with a lower risk of chronic kidney disease. You can use olive oil for cooking, salad dressings, or drizzling over your favorite dishes to give them a boost of flavor and kidney-supporting nutrients. So, make sure to include this versatile and nutritious oil in your diet for healthier kidneys. Last but not least, green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are a must-have in your kidney-friendly diet. These nutrient-dense veggies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your kidneys' overall health. They're high in vitamin K, vitamin A, and vitamin C, which help reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys from damage. Additionally, green leafy vegetables are a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain kidney function. Just be mindful of their potassium content and consume them in moderation if you have kidney concerns. Add these powerhouse greens to your salads, smoothies, or sauté them for a delicious and kidney-healthy side dish. Before we wrap up, let's quickly touch on some lifestyle tips that can help support your kidney health. In addition to incorporating the kidney-friendly foods we've discussed, it's important to stay physically active, maintain a healthy weight, and manage stress levels. Limiting alcohol and avoiding smoking can also positively impact your kidney function. And, of course, regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help detect any potential kidney issues early, allowing for timely intervention. By adopting these healthy habits alongside a balanced diet, you'll be well on your way to ensuring your kidneys stay in great shape for years to come. So, there you have it, our top 9 best foods to help repair your kidneys and support their overall health. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can make a significant impact on your kidney function and overall well-being. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet and staying hydrated are essential factors for kidney health. Additionally, it's important to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to tailor your diet to your specific needs, especially if you have existing kidney concerns. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. Until next time, take care of your kidneys and stay healthy.